Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix WinRAR diagnostic messages, and in these particular messages should be no archives found, cannot open specific file, or access denied. Message is different, but I will show you the same basically fix. What you need to do here first is to close this window here, then right click on your WinRAR, then go to properties, and then go to security. And here you need to press on advanced section here. Then here you need to press change, and then you need to look for advanced and then find now. Here you need to look for the as you can see here, users. Okay, double click on it and check names. Okay, and the users should appear on this list. And then what you need to do here, you will see under the permissions system. Then you need to click on it and then make sure allow is selected here and apply the changes. If you these options is grayed out for you, what you need to do here is to press this button here and press first option and enable inheritance, right? And the option should be not grayed out for you. And then what you need to do here, you need to click on system, press on edit, make sure full control, modify, read, execute, and selected here. Then what you need to do next, and with all the options here should be full control here, right? And then apply the changes here, right? And after that, you can simply just extract files like you normally do, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.